of Science and Technology at Jayavati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology, and today's session is on the query and remove software packages with RPM part 2. In this session, I have already discussed about the RPM and some queries in the previous videos. So today I am going to tell you about the RPM commands examples to query, install, remove and upgrade packages. So you see here all the softwares in the Linux system which is divided into packages. So these packages that can be installed, uninstalled, upgrade, queried and verified. Okay, so it is up to you what is your purpose, whether you want to store or you want to uninstall. It is up to you people's developers. Okay, so the CentOS RHEL uses the Red Hat package managers, that is RPM, to facilitate the installation, upgrade and removal of software packages. So the RPM utility provides many useful options for querying and verifying packages, as well as installing, upgrading and removing packages. So the following provides examples of these options are query packages. First is the listing all installed packages. So for listing, if you want to see the list of installing packages in your system, so you just type the command rpm-qa. Okay, so when you type this, these are the number of packages which are installed in your PCs, it will display. So the format of RPM packages name is a non-version release architect. So the example shows that packages for version 7 of Enterprise Linux EL7 with architectures of either like x86-64, in this any AMD 64 or Intel 64 CPUs. So these are the operating systems in which this architecture supports. So the second thing is the display package information. If you want to see the information of a package, so you need to type -ql bash, and you see the details of the package information is shown in your screen. So the third is the find the package from a file. If you want a file from a package which is already installed in your system, so for that you have to perform a reverse search, that is to determine what package a specific file like etc goes, for example, like belongs to enter. So you here type this -qf, means just for finding, okay, this etc ghost. For this you can find that file. So for configuration files of the package, to list configuration files associated with the package, the bash package, for example, like enter rpm -qc bash, and this etc skel bash layout, and this etc skel bash profile, and this bash hrc. So this is the list of configuration files. Okay, so if you people really want to see the files of the configuration files, especially of the package, so you have to type this -q bash. Now in this the installing and updating packages. For installing and update packages, use rpm-u package name command to upgrade installed packages as well as installs new packages, like to install or upgrade the R synchronized package. So you need to type this -u vh R synchronized 3. This is the information you will see on your screen. So -v means verbose, means option displays more information. -h means option displays progress. The second thing is the installing a new kernel. When installing a new kernel, use the -i option so as not to upgrade the current kernel. For example, rpm-ivh kernel -3 this. So if you remove the packages, you use the command rpm-e r synchronize. For using this, you can remove the packages. So this is all about today's session. Thank you so much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.